Hello friends, in this video we are going to study the topic सत्याग्रह and its application. पहले हम ये जानेंगे कि चंपारण सत्याग्रह क्या था। गांधी जी के नेतृत्व में बिहार के चंपारण जिले में सन 1917 में हुआ था। गांधी जी के नेतृत्व में भारत में किया गया यह पहला सत्याग्रह था। अंग्रेज बागान मालिकों ने चंपारण के किसानों से एक अनुबंध करा लिया था जिसमें उन्हें नील की खेती करना अनिवार्य था। नील के बाजार में गिरावट आने से कारखाने बंद होने लगे। अंग्रेजों ने किसानों की मजबूरी का लाभ उठाकर लगान बढ़ा दिया। इसी के फलस्वरूप विद्रोह प्रारंभ हो गया। महात्मा गांधी ने अंग्रेजों के इस अत्याचार से चंपारण के किसानों का उद्धार कराया। Now we will see the notes on this topic. Gandhiji's novel method of agitation. Agitation means the situation in which people protest or argue, especially public. And protest based on truth and non-violence was known as satyagraha. Without being aggressive. Aggressive means behaving in an angry and violent way. A satyagraha could win the battle through non-violence. In 1916, Gandhi ji travelled to Champaran in Bihar to inspire the peasant to struggle against oppressive indigo planters. In 1916, Gandhiji supported the peasant in Kheda district of Gujarat who was suffering from shortage of food due to crop failure. Gandhiji advised them not to pay revenue till their demands of its resubmission was met. Remission means the process of reducing the amount of money that is owed for something. In 1918, Gandhiji went to Ahmedabad to organize Satyagraha movement amongst cotton mill workers. The Rowlatt Act. रॉलेट एक्ट, जिसे काला कानून भी कहा जाता है, भारत की ब्रिटानी सरकार द्वारा भारत में उभर रहे राष्ट्रीय आंदोलन को कुचलने के लिए बनाया गया। इस कानून से ब्रिटिश सरकार को ये अधिकार प्राप्त हो गया था कि वह किसी भी भारतीय पर अदालत के बिना मुकदमा चलाए उसे जेल में बंद कर सकती थी। Now we will study the notes. The Rowlatt Act in 1919 was passed through the Imperial Legislative Council in spite of the fact that the Indian members opposed this act. Rowlatt Act gave the government enormous power to repress political activities. According to this act, the political prisoners could be detained in prison for 2 years without any trial. Gandhiji decided to try to oppose it with satyagraha. On 6th April 1919 was observed as Satyagraha Day. People all over the country observed fast and hartal. Hartal means strike. This was the first country-wide agitation by Gandhiji. Once again, the meaning of agitation is that the situation in which people protest or argue, especially public. It marked the foundation of the non-cooperation movement. On 10th April, The police in Amritsar fired upon a peaceful procession. It provoked widespread attacks on banks, post office and railway stations. Provoke means to cause a reaction, especially a negative one. Martial law was imposed and General Dyer took command. Martial law was the law of military government. जलियनवाला बाग मैसेकर 13 अप्रैल 1919 को अमृतसर के जलियनवाला बाग में रॉलेट एक्ट के विरोध में हजारों लोग एकत्र हुए थे। अंग्रेज अफसर जनरल डायर ने इस बाग के मुख्य द्वार को अपने सैनिकों और हथियारबंद वाहनों से रोककर निहत्थी भीड़ पर बिना किसी चेतावनी के 10 मिनट तक गोलियों की बरसात कराई थी। इस घटना में तकरीबन 1000 लोगों की मौत हो गई थी, जबकि 1500 से ज्यादा घायल हुए थे। Now we will study the notes. On 13th April 1919, a large crowd gathered in the enclosed ground of Jallianwala Bagh in Amritsar, Punjab. Some people came here to protest against government's repressive measures, but some other came to attend the annual Baisakhi fair. Many of them were unaware of the martial law that was imposed. Once again, the martial law was the law of military government. General Dyer entered the area, blocked the exit points and opened fire on the crowd, killing hundreds. As the news spread, crowd took to the streets. There were strikes or hartals, clashes with the police and attacks on government buildings. The government responded with force to end the movement by humiliating and terrorizing people. Satyagrahis were forced to rub their noses on the ground, crawl on the streets and do salam or salute to all sahibs. People were beaten and villages were bombed. Rabindranath Tagore returned his knighthood award, which was awarded him in 1915 in protest of the incident. Mahatma Gandhi called off the movement when he saw spread of violence.